about some question of abstract algebra, because till long day we don't talk about abstract algebra. Just recall some more question of abstract algebra again, then it will be once more time revision. Question is, which had come in NBSM exam, let A4, we all of us know A4 be the alternative group, and who is denoted as group of all even permutation of 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider the following statement. Option 1, there exists surjetic group homomorphism from A4 to Z mod 4Z. Option 2, there exists subjective group homomorphism from A4 to Z mod 3Z. And option R indicate 1 is true and 2 is false. Option B indicate 2 is true and 1 is false. Option C indicate 2 and 1 are both true. And option D indicate 1 and 2 are both false. For this, at first consider the isomorphism theorem. We all of us know the isomorphism theorem. I have discussed in my earlier video isomorphism theorem briefly. Just recall again. Consider phi be a map from G to S. And we all of us know kernel phi is a normal subgroup of G and image phi is a subgroup of G. Let's see the picture. This is the car phi. Since this element B belongs to car phi, that means this always maps to identity, and these are same in all perspective. So kernel phi is always a normal subgroup. Okay, and this is the picture of image phi. Here notice whole group G maps to image. So image map to entire group G itself, and image phi is a subgroup of the group S. We all of us know this properties. Then first isomorphism theorem says G mod car phi is isomorphic to image phi. Notice the picture. This is car phi. So car phi get maps to red circle, and all other, these are coset 1, coset 2 and coset 3. And all symmetry of same coset get maps to same symmetry of the image. Just notice. Hence, we can tell this group and this image are isomorphic to each other. Come back our original question. The question indicates, is there exists surjective group homomorphism from A4 to Z4? At first we have to find the normal subgroup. We all of us know the normal subgroup of A4 are A4 itself, identity and K4. Okay? Then by first isomorphism theorem, the factor group would be when A4, that means when the normal subgroup A4, that imply A4 modulo A4, which is isomorphic to identity. Just trivial homomorphism, we all of us know it. And when the normal subgroup identity, then A4 modulo identity would be A4, which is also not similar to the group Z4. Okay, that means this is not isomorphic to the group Z4. When the normal subgroup is K4, then A4 modulo K4 would be isomorphic to Here notice, just think, this is isomorphic to group of order 3, and we all of us know there exists only one group of order 3. This is the Z3. So we can tell this is isomorphic to Z modulo 3Z. Let's see our question. In first option has indicate there exists a surjective group homomorphism from A4 to Z modulo 4Z. This is wrong option. But I have seen there exists a group homomorphism from A4 to Z modulo 3Z. But let's see, is this homomorphism surjective? For this option, let's see the diagram of first isomorphism theorem. If phi be a homomorphism from G to H and pi be a projection from G to G mod curve phi, then there exists a unique isomorphism psi from G mod curve phi to image phi, which is subgroup of H, such that psi pi equal to original function phi, and this is the image. We can go in image in this way, either this way. Okay, now let's see the option. We have to find the mapping A4 to Z mod 3Z is a onto mapping, onto homomorphism. Okay, at first define a projection map pi from A4 to Z, A4 to A4 mod K4. Okay, and the mapping is look like pi G equal to pi A4 modulo K4. Okay, and this mapping is always onto mapping. And consider a isomorphism psi from A4 mod K4 to Z3 or Z modulo 3Z. Okay, since this is isomorphism from A4 modulo K4 to Z modulo 3Z, that means this mapping is 1 1 and 1 to both. Okay, now consider composition of this function. That means phi from A4 to Z modulo 3Z. This is the composition of these two functions. Okay, and notice, since this function is onto and this function also onto, so their composition obviously would be onto. Therefore, our given function from A4 to Z modulo 3Z is onto. Means there exists a surjective group homomorphism from A4 to Z modulo 3Z. That means option 2 is a right option. That means option 2 is a right and option 1 is a false. So option B is a right option. You getting this solution? Well, now I will say one interesting type of homomorphism. FBA mapping from Sn to GLN. That means all symmetry group with n letters maps to all n cross n invertible matrix with real field. And the mapping is look like f of sigma equal to a sigma. This is the permutation matrix associated with sigma. Okay, are you getting this matrix? Consider one example. Consider G equal to S3 and consider sigma equal to 1, 2, 3, this circle. That means 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1. And this permutation is look like this permutation matrix 1 goes to 2. That means first column would be 0, 1, 0. And the second column would be 2 goes to 3. That means 0, 0, 1. And the third column would be 3 goes to 1. That means this is. And notice, this is always invertible matrix. Are you getting this mapping? Okay. Now we have to check, is this mapping is homeomorphism? Therefore, if we consider sigma and tau belongs to Sn, then we have to check f of sigma tau equal to a sigma times a tau. Where this is the composition of permutation. Okay, and this is the matrix multiplication. Check it yourself. And here the image will be not all GLNR. This is actually the all permutation matrix. Okay, that means 1 is each row and each column, and this matrix is always invertible, and the kernel would be only identity, because only trivial permutation map to identity matrix. Okay, see one other example which had come in NBSM exam. The example is, let GLNR denote the group of all invertible n cross n matrices with real entries under matrix multiplication, and let SLNR denote the subgroup of such matrices whose determinant is equal to 1. Then identify the quotient group GLNR modulo SLNR. This consider a mapping phi from GLNR to R star, while R star is a multiplicative group of non-zero reals, and the mapping is look like E maps to determinant of A. At first we have to prove the homeomorphism, and for this, now for this consider two matrix AB belongs to GLNR. Okay, we can tell easily data of AB equal to always data of A times data of B. Okay, and this is equal to phi of A times phi of B. That means this mapping is homomorphism. Okay, well, now we have to show, is this mapping is onto? Take an element, any arbitrary element. Since here R under multiplication with non-zero real number, that means consider a non-zero real number R with n minus 1 entries 1 and other diagonal entry equal to R. Consider this matrix. Here R and other entries of this diagonal is 1. Okay, and other point is 0. Okay, then Since phi of A equal to determinant of A, this value will be R. Since this is true for any non-zero arbitrary real number R, so this is always true. So phi is obviously onto mapping. Notice the kernel phi equal to set of all A in GLNR such that phi of A equal to 1, and this is equal to just SLNR. We all of us know by this property of the kernel. Therefore, by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell GLNR modulo SLNR is isomorphic to non-zero real number under multiplication. Our answer would be non-zero real number under multiplication. Are you getting? Well.